to set it up kahle. Okay. And 2, 3, and 1. Good day, Maritzburg Power Podcast viewers. Ubalungile Mkhize Lona. As we highlight in Maritzburg and surroundings, Peter, Maritzburg is a very beautiful place, and our surroundings are amazing place to dance for, like Otegu and so forth. So now, today, we have our protea flower. As you know, it's our national flower. So, AKZN, siyazqhenya ngo-Thembinkosi Thwala, which we all know, aka Mondli from Uzalo. So we know a little bit of Mondli. But we want to know Thembinkosi ukuthi ubani yena. Sawubona.
Yebo sabona ngithi.
Siyaphila nathi. Thank you again for coming through. Siyathokoza ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi sibe nawe ku Maritzburg.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningi-invite. Ngizizwa nje ngi-special kakhulu.
Definitely. So sizacela ukwazi ukuthi ubani uThembinkosi.
uThembinkosi ngathini uThembinkosi kahle ekhaya emakhaya bangibiza ngomthembu.
Okay.
Ngulele umnambithi wahlathi ehlabathini eWashbang ngaphansi kwenkosi ukunene kwekaSigweje nasezakhini ke kwaini kaboma ukunene yayela ngulele khona. So uThembinkosi nje ngasho ukuthi umfana semnambithi nje okhule naye namaphupho before bengifisa ukuba musician, because ngikhule nje ngumuntu othanda ukwenza izinto eziningi because bengibuye ngidwebe yabo. Washo ukuthi umuntu ukhulele emakhaya farm boy bengawathola amathuba ukuthi akwazi ukuthi izinto lezenzeke ndithanda usakhulu. So ugogo nomkhulu, so ugogo nomkhulu.
So we are spoiled. Ugogo nomkhulu.
Ngikhuliswe bona bebekhuthele kakhulu, babekhuthele so ekuseni besivuka kube ukuthi njengoba nje kumanje February manje isikhathi sokuhlakula. So unyaka wonke umuntu behleze ebhizi. Siyavuka siyahlakula siyasenga skip inkomo, then uye esikoleni. Then masibuye esikoleni futhi ukulanda inkomo, then ntambama uyabuya kwenza lo msebenzi mhlawumbe usefuna ukuba. So sikhule nje sibhizi sitshala, sikhule nje sitshala.
Shothi kahle. Shothi kancane singena emlomeni. Shothi kahle you can be a farmer.
Yeah, isona sifiso sami esikhulu naso besi part of impilo yami ngithanda sakho. Because ugogo manje ukuthi umnotho kahle ula emhlabathini. Yeah, so uma unomhlaba nje unomhlabathi wenza noma yini, uyatshala uyafuya. So umhlaba uwona oyimpilo onomnotho.
Wow. Yeah, now ugogo benganaphutha lapho mesho kanjalo, because I really believe ukuthi mengabe ukuthi into ehlezi ishunyayela ukuthi asivuke silokhu njane sisebenzise umhlaba wethu lo okhona. So I don't like the word farm boy. It's more of let's use rural areas. Rural areas more grounded, like you are grounded by birth. That's what I believe, that you are grounded by birth. So manje, from Mnambithi to Durban, where Uzalo, so how does that ihlangana kanjani?
Ihlangana ngokuthi the time ngenza standard 6 bengicula beshayi fight namajito sinikelo, then uthando belokutshintsha ngikhule ngumuntu onamahloni ngamanye. So iyona into athi ngenza ukuthi ngikhuleke. Ngikwazi ukukhuleka, ngikwazi ukuexpress. So ngashintsha ngadweba, ngashintsha ekudwebeni. Ngaqala-ke ngajoyina igesh esikoleni bese ku-matric. Then ngayithanda lapho i-acting because bengikwazi ukudlala ama-character different abantu bemangala ukuthi awulothule kanje kanti kwazi ukwenza into kanje. Then umuntu aphinda besiphinde sijabe isibhucu sijabe isipantsula bekulokho okukhule. So kuzo zonke-ke lezi zinto into engagcina ngithanda kakhulu i-acting. So ngase ngaye eJozi 2007. 27 ngabe sengiseJozi ngenza i-first year management, business management and retailing UJ.
Oh.
Yeah, so ngenza khona for 2008 ngajoyina i-acting yakhona e-UJ but besenza extra activity.
Oh, all
Besenza nje siyidlalela. So nayo sayenza 29 saqala satravela, so ngabona ukuthi kuyaphileka la kumnandi because bengithanda ukutravela kakhulu. So bekuwu-easy kakhulu uma ngenza i-theatre ukuthi mhlawumbe sophefoma eLimpopo or kune-festival ko-Mpumalanga kuphi, so besihambe nje sitravela then.
Okay. So it's multi-talented, educated. I hope you guys are marking the register there. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So after that, Uzalo.
Before Uzalo, bengenza ama-extra, ngiqale kuma-extra kuMuvhango 2008.
Oh, okay.
Bese ngine-agent lapho ngenza nama-workshop e-SABC.
Oh.
Yeah, then 29 ngenza ama-extra ku-Rhythm City, ngathola enye agent. 2010 kwaba i-World Cup, so sabe siperforma project nehlala nathi community theatre. Project EBC theatre Hillbrook. Bengijoyina khona, so yeah. Yakhula then 2011 saye Swaziland nakhona besiphambe siperform. Then 2012 2012 then ngasengajoyina ke ama-workshop kaMamzo uDorothy. Yes, eGoli. Sibuye sisebenze namafethu abahlala emgwaqeni. So select nabo senze uShakespeare. So mangina something besibize. Let's perform shama poem lapha noShakespeare. Yeah, and then ngase-ke ngithole enye agent futhi, so ngase ngenza ama-audition nje bese ngiphila ngama-audition. Yeah, because ngenza i-Calling Black Label Cup, kube i-One Life Insurance, kube i-Medihelp, bese kuba ama-comedy skit-ke ebedlala ematheksini nama-industrial theatre. But into ey'ningi nje bengizenza e-theatre. Then Uzalo kuze ngingene khona bese ngi-give up-ile kahle kahle. Yeah, bese ngithe ngiyagive up because bese ngisebenza i-night shift e-Checkers. Yeah, ngenza i-merchandising, sifake i-store, amashelfini. Yeah, then i-season 1 yoZalo ngayi-audition e-Baseline. Bangibiza for callback, audition futhi kwesibili then ngabona sidlala ku-TV. Ngathi ayisho ukuthi then yabuya seyibuya season 2, agent yangifonela ngahamba nga-audition. Then ngaflya ngeza la eDurban ngenza i-callback noLuzu, may he so rest in peace. And then ngayithula lapho nge-character kaMondli Uzalo. So from lapho ke nje umuntu lo ngencenga nje khona Uzalo.
Oh. Wow, usugudlile. So this is a lesson, isifundo for all of you who are aspire to be actress, or not only actressing but then other working environment, ukuthi you not just end up la ubonakala khona ukuthi usiyashine. Kunohambo, it's a journey to get where you want to be. That means ukuthi you need to enjoy that journey so that uzokwazi ukuphumelela la ufisa ukuba khona. You cannot, like lento behlezi bayisho bethi, you cannot wake up and then you become a millionaire overnight. It doesn't work that way. So in terms of sketching, in terms of sketching, you sketching like Urasta, so?
Yeah, like Urasta. There will be more to my plan. Even a friend, meaning a color plans like we do, but then I told him those are graphic design on sharing a computer. So this kind of thing, man, clears in his room. But no, if something, anything,
oh, okay. Yeah, so talking about it, Yinle, I'm just gonna quickly get this. Okay. So this is rooted lights.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Yeah, rooted lights means rooted in nature, connected to God. Yes.
That's it.
Because I believe ukuthi ukhanya kuyimpilo kunendlela. because makumnyama so awuboni even noma impilo yakho isebumnyameni
Yeah.
but makukhona lelo light lelo so mina ngi-inspire yiyona kuyo yonke le journey ebengihamba because bengekho easy but bekhona lela light ngibona ukuthi
kuyakhanya
ngiyakhanya lapha ngizofika. Yeah, so i-route light iqhamuke 2016. Yeah, it's a company, it's a brand, supply, deliver, cleaning, delivery brand food. Yeah, in the sense of the workshop. Yeah, so the brand ngathini ngikhulela kakhulu kumdali nanokuthi ke ukhanya if akukho that means impilo imile. Yeah, because ungaba umlungu ungaba India ungaba umuntu omnyama but sonke masifuna ukuconnecta nomdali isikhathi sikhandlela. Even the birthday isikhathi sikhandlela so masijabulile ikhandlela even noma sisebumnyameni isikhathi sikhandlela ukuze sikwazi ukuthi kubeke nempilo.
Yeah, that is deep. I'm having a moment, guys. This is really deep.
So my body element type which is fire,
yes,
seven water,
yes,
seven nature,
yes,
and seven wind.
Yes.
So ulibona nje ikhandlela liyamova. Nempande it means nomhlaba namanzi phansi.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Angazi ngeke ukwazi ukuyimisunderstand.
Ngayithola kwi-page le ku-Facebook
Rooted Lights. Oh, okay. So okay, so you do deliveries, I mean in Korea, you do cleaning.
Yes.
And then do you do supply as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's not only an actor, but he's a businessman. So siyacela ukuthi sisupportane as black businesses. It's important as masikhula ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisizane as we go along. So ilokhunjana, how far-fetched is ilokhunjana i-character yaMondli neyakho as uThembinkosi?
Cishe ifana uThembinkosi unamahloni mawungamazi umuntu quiet but masungazi ubona another story, a different story.
Oh, okay.
Network uyilahlele but masungazi but mawuzobona umuntu serious umuntu akasohleze funa. Yes, but cishe sifane nomuntu ukuthi askip up kalula into masifuna nje noma ngaphela 10 years noma ngaphela 20 years. But mangisafocusile ukuthi lapha ngifuna lento. Yeah.
Okay. So uMondli umbopha nini mkhosi?
Ukuthi maningi ama-challenges anoMondli ukuthi because akwazi ukumbopha. Yeah, uyedwa unolili because unyawo ubuya aphuma endleleni lapho. Yeah. Nakuthi igebengu ziningi sibone ugcwele igebengu nje so ziningi. Yeah, but uzombopha njengekudala but usizini ethi kuzobe kumnandi kakhulu ngoba uMondli noNkonzi ngaqhamuka something. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So abantu sazoshuka.
How is it working with who's this guy? Ubaqeda
Unyawo.
Ima esingisakhe lesi. Siphuma esingisakhe.
Da siphuma kuye kokunye unokutranslate igama from uzothatha igama alibheke mhlawumbe mangaka amagama then akhethelele lithandayo.
Athanda kakhulu ukuthi leli ngihamba nalo leli. Okay, very interesting character. Bengabuthi Uzalo uyaphuthelwa. Uyazi, a very interesting character. And uMondli, okay, when is he getting married? When is he dating? Who is he seeing?
Soon. Ngoba manje ngisafocusile kuye.
Kuma case.
Ngisamele ngenze brand yami, ngisamele ngikwazi ukuthi nami mase ngishada angishadi ngizosokolisa umntwana wabantu yabona. Kumele nje yazi nawe kumele.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, kukhulunywa nge-men's conference. So iMaritzburg Power Podcast was very smart. Simambe before the conference. So no men's conference against us shall prosper. So no, isibonge kakhulu for coming through. This is our gift from iMaritzburg Power Podcast. That is yours. From
Siyabonga.
us to you.
Nekho sengiziphuza kahle. Uza ne-winter.
Angifele.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
No, sibonge kakhulu. Yeah.
Mapha mancoshana angiphisani angiphuzisani yena ngedwa.
No, Maritzburg Power Podcast viewers, sibonge kakhulu for joining us, guys. And this was a very interesting insight from Thembinkosi Thwala and his journey into the entertainment business, as well into his obvious private business, which is Rooted Light. I like the message behind it and what it stands for. I hope you guys really support our black actors and black entrepreneurs who are really trying to to push life behind the scenes. And nakhona futhi into yokuthi sijajane in terms of ukuthi umuntu because of umbona on the scene. I think we should have much more education in terms of ukuthi, okay, umuntu uyi-character before abe uyena. There's two different lives there. So uthi there's no Mrs. Is he looking? I suppose is he looking? Ukhona. Okay, guys, he's not available. Yeah, ukhona Mrs. Sawon. No, Sibonge kakhulu ingane?
Nazo khona.
Zikhona. Oh, all right. Responsible dad?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right. No, I see Zwele. He's a dad. He's a partner. He is a lokunjana. He's an actor. He's a businessman. So yonke into ofuna ukuyazi ngaye sithola kuphi?
Instagram Thembinkosi nathi 27. Facebook Thembinkosi Thwala. TikTok ngikhohliwe. Kodwa khona we-Rooted Light. Ikhona i-Rooted Light ku Facebook. Yeah, na ku-email usungangithola ku rooted.lights @gmail.com.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but ngiyatholakala nasestratini zomthola.
Twitter?
Yeah, Twitter no, I'm
No, Twitter.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So umuntu engimthekile, it's not you. All right.
Nganginayo ngakhona i-password kwasho ukuthi angiyikhophisi kakhulu yeah.
All right. Okay, so he is not on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, as well as email, of course. All right. No, this is the end of it. Until I see you next time, where we explore and highlight Maritzburg and surrounding areas.
Nokuthi happy Valentine ko wonke umuntu yabaphathele kahle ya kube mnandi nje.
Yeah.
Usisi.
Niyazwela-ke, siyabonga.
Sibonge.
Okay. I'll have to do a bit of editing here.